Hey Unified family, I'm Steve DiMare. Thank you for coming to our website. If you're watching this video, it means you're interested in a roofing project with Unified Home Remodeling. We make sure to take care of your house when we do a roofing project for you. A lot of the times you don't realize what the decking underneath your roof actually has. So sometimes there's rotted wood, sometimes there's plywood that's warped or can't be reused. So we always make sure to be with you every step of the way to make sure that you understand the costs involved with your project, and we're leaving you with a perfectly brand new roof that won't leak, that won't cause you any problems, that you'll be able to enjoy for a lifetime. At Unified, we have specific installers just for roofing. They're certified for roofing specifically, so they know exactly what they're doing on your roof. You're not gonna have a window crew going up on your roof trying to do roofing. All of our roofing crews are certified professionals for their trade, and some of the manufacturers even come out and train our crews specifically on their product, so that way they know exactly how to install the product to make sure that your roof does not leak and it's installed perfectly the right time for the first time.